Hi everyone, I'm Maisha from Beautyco. Now, if you've been following me, you know that I have an oily skin type and I make sure that I use products that suit my skin type and last longer, especially in these hot summer days. This routine will keep your skin hydrated, matte, and shine free all day long. Today, I'm teaming up with Lakme to share with you my ultimate go to summer makeup routine that's perfect for oily skin. So, let's get started. For a very long time, I thought skipping moisturizer would help with my oily skin. But guess what? That made it worse. Oily skin still needs hydration for it to stay balanced. So start with a lightweight, oil free moisturizer to prep your skin. Once your skin is prepped, it's time for primer. For primer, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Blow Perfect Primer. This is one of my all time favorite primers. Focus on areas where you tend to get the oiliest, like the forehead, nose, and chin. It instantly blurs pores, controls shine, and creates a smooth matte base for makeup. Plus, it makes my makeup last longer, which is a must for summer. Now, for foundation, I'm using the Lakme's 9 to 5 Higher Matte Foundation in the shade Warm Beige. It's enriched with 5% hyaluronic acid, so it hydrates while keeping the skin shine free. And it blends right into my skin tone, which is medium. It's also pretty long lasting and keeps my oils at bay for at least 6 to 8 hours. Look at that finish. It's smooth, matte, and breathable. It's also transfer proof, so no midday touch ups needed. This particular foundation is a game changer. Now, let's set the base with the Lakme's 9 to 5 Higher Matte Primer Plus Matte Compact in beige. I'm focusing on the T zone where I get the most amount of shine, the forehead, nose, and chin. Oily skin doesn't mean overpowdering, so leave your cheeks without any extra powder to maintain that natural fresh look. See how it's keeping everything matte without making my skin feel dry? That's the hydrated matte finish we are going for. To add a healthy flush, I'm using the Lakme's Rouge Bloom Powder Blush in the shade Vintage Rose. I'm applying it on the apples of my cheeks and blending upwards. A little goes a long way and it's perfect for that soft summer glow. And for the lips, I'm using the Lakme's Higher Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Monday Mocha. This is such a beautiful nude shade, and honestly, I've been carrying it everywhere I go as it goes with every outfit. And here's the finished look, matte where you want it, glow where it matters, and zero stickiness, exactly how summer makeup should feel. Let me know your oily skin hacks in the comments, and if you do try these Lakme favorites, tag us. We'd love to see your summer glow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more makeup tips and tutorials. Stay matte and fabulous. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.